So this is now our week formative assessment. So the question is, it is the continuation about the performance standard of our list on board. So the question is, discuss the IMO performance standard in ICDIS operational and functional requirements. Specifically, we will discuss about display requirements. So the IMO performance standard for ICDIS establish display requirements to ensure safe and efficient navigation. Its mandate that the system presents the standard display upon chart uh, activation, showcasing essential information for route planning and monitoring. This standard display can be customized by the mariners based on their needs. The display base, however, remain constant in providing fundamental uh, informations essential for all situations. This standard display should be presented at the largest scale available for displayed area, ensuring clear and details, and ICDIS must also allow the mariners to easily add or remove information for the display, except for the display based which remains constant. So basically, the IMO's performance standard display requirements is the base that the ICDIS should display the base mode. Actually, in our ICDIS here in laboratory, we have three display. We have the customized display, base display, and um, all display all, and other display mode. So the IMO standard only requires to have an ICDIS to have a base display, which are very necessary for the safe navigation. The information in this display must be not cannot be removed. So it also the display requirements also emphasize that the ICDIS is must be uh, marine navigator friendly for safe navigation, and for the it is essential for the thinking or for the navigator to easily understand the scenario or in the situation that he or she in during navigating. So upon this, display requirements also set a standard that it must be visible for more than one observer. So the screen of the ICDIS should be visible for more than one observer. So basically, if I am the observer here in the center, then a person beside me can also see the information on the ICDIS for safe and verification also.